Today, we will learn how motorcycles shift gears. The large single steel motorcycle engine you see in front of you uses a 5-speed international gearbox. In order to make it clear to you, I will try to slow down. Let's disassemble it first to understand its internal structure. The shaft connected to the clutch above is the power input shaft. The shaft connected to the small sprocket below is the power output shaft. There are 5 gears on each shaft. First, look at the 5 gears on the output shaft. These 3 gears can rotate freely on the shaft, similar to a flywheel. These 2 gears have flower teeth that correspond to the flower teeth on the shaft and rotate synchronously with the shaft. Moving left and right can bind the flywheel on the side to the shaft to achieve a hard connection. Let's look at the 5 gears on the power input shaft. The first small gear is integrated with the shaft. It is also the power starting wheel of the first gear. The second is a flywheel that can rotate freely. The third is a binding wheel with internal flower teeth that can be moved. The fourth is a free wheel. The fifth is a fixed wheel with internal flower teeth. These 3 paddles are used to move the binding wheel. Its movement trajectory is guided by the groove on the shift drum below. Every 60 degrees of rotation of the shift drum is a gear. Only the neutral gear rotates 30 degrees, and the groove of the neutral gear is relatively shallow. No wonder the neutral gear is so hard to find. The structure similar to the quick wheel on the side is used to connect the shift lever. When the shift lever is pressed, the shift drum rotates to drive the paddle to move the gear. This is the first gear. Like and follow for more informative videos.